Yeah, well, Terry, that's Terry Savage, who you hear sitting right here. She's our financial expert. Some disappointing retail results out of Target. Does that have an impact, or is this all about inflation? What is this about?
Oh, you nailed it, Robin. It's all about inflation. It's impacting the profits. Walmart earlier this week, now Target saying we've had bad earnings. We have higher costs, fuel, transportation, bad assortment of merchandise. What's happened? I walked in the studio with someone this morning who said, "Oh, you're the money lady. I just spent $75 to fill up my tank of gas." And I said, "And so you're not going to buy something else?" Consumers we've been counting on them to be able to shop through this, but now all the money's going to things that they must buy, and so you're seeing retailers suffer, and that's, of course, hitting the market.
So is this going to be a big hit like 07, 08, or is this a temporary, just a low point?
And most people don't remember what a bear market can do. Do you remember how big a drop it was from the peak to the bottom in 07? 51% on the S&P 500. And in 2000, it was only about 45% on the S&P, but the NASDAQ was down like 75 or 80, as I recall. So most people don't remember a bear market and what it looks like. And not only that, how long it can last. 3 years to get back even from the one in 2007. And so that's not to say this is the end of America. You have to sell your stocks. In fact, it's real bargain hunting time if you're putting $250 a month out of your paycheck in your 401k. But for a lot of people who are just at retirement and saying, well, this is how much we had. No, wait, we have less. This is a moment, and I think that it's not just how low the market can go, but how long you can stand to ride it out when you see your 401k go down. And that's why chicken money on the side, that's the whole idea. It lets you sleep at night, because sure, it's going to bounce back. America always comes back.
But don't you always say it's a 20-year span that you don't lose money? So if you're 55, like what is that? Is it you know, what's that magic age?
There's never been a 20-year period where you lost money in a diversified portfolio with dividends included. But you're right, when you're 55 or 60, you're going to be planning to take it out over the next 20 years. In the 70s, the Dow was below 800 at the beginning of the decade, 72, and it was still below 800 in 82. So the market can stay down longer than you can stay disciplined. So that's why you raise some cash, and you never look back. At least you have something on the side so you don't panic and sell at the very bottom. I have no idea where that is, but I think it'll be lower.
All right, let's get to some viewer questions. This person says, is now a good time to refinance my home mortgage?
Well, it's not as good a time as it was a year ago at this time. I look back, a year ago, mortgage rates were 3.25%. Today, that same 30-year fixed-rate mortgage is 5.5%. Now, you can save a little money on a 15-year mortgage, maybe not a lot of payment. The rate is lower at 4.6%, and you'll save a fortune in interest only paying for 15 years, but your monthly payment may actually be a little higher because you're doing it on a schedule for paying it off in 15 years. And a lot of people now are turning to adjustable rate mortgages. A 5-year adjustable rate will get you under 5%, maybe 4.8%. But then you've always got to be looking like, uh-oh, well, at the end of 5 years, I don't think rates will be higher in 5 years, but they think they could go higher in the next year or two. In fact, don't look at me. Jay Powell at the Fed says rates are going higher.
Yeah.
So do it now if you're going to refinance or buy.
All right, next question. How high do you think those interest rates will be going?
Well, I think they could go a lot higher than most people are predicting. This is where I started my career back in the early 80s, by sitting on a TV set and saying, I think rates could go to 10%. People said, she's nuts. I don't think we'll see double digits, but I don't think it ends very quickly. And so, again, if you're going to refinance, not as good as last year, but I happen to remember when mortgage rates were over 13%. Yeah. So 5.5% doesn't look that horrendous.
All right, this person says, I co-signed for my daughter's student loan. Is there going to be loan forgiveness for the parents?
Oh boy, this is going to be a big headline topic, a political as well as a financial one. You know, this loan forbearance we're in now will end just about Labor Day, August 31st. Because it's an election 2 months later, you can be sure that this administration, any administration will try and figure out a way to either extend it or give forgiveness. But unfortunately, all of the loan forgiveness that's been discussed has been for federal student loans, not private loans, which parents co-sign, and not for Parent Plus loans. So you probably won't get any relief on those. Maybe we'll see what happens in 2 months on the federal student loans.
All right, Terry, good to see you again. If you have a
Thanks.
question for Terry, you can go to terrysavage.com. Thanks for being
Thank you,
here.
Terry.
Thanks.
Time now for On Time.